All right, let's get this out of the way. Okay. All right, love the Canon C400. That is just, anytime I mess with it, it just gives me the images I want. Easy to work with, everything about it. Just the only thing downside is kind of the weight, and I've got mine rigged out with a 24-105. The 2.8, that's a monster lens, so that's a bit heavy. On sticks, fantastic. Locked off shots, fantastic. But I'm getting more and more impressed with the Canon C50 every day. It's a tiny little camera. I don't even rig it out with batteries and V-mounts or anything like that. I try to leave it stripped down as I possibly can, and I'm really happy with both. This is really going to work for me. One odd thing is when they did the update with the Canon C400, not doing a long gap 3.2 ratio. Why? Not a huge fan of RAW. I don't need RAW. If I'm lighting it correctly and I'm setting it up okay, I don't need RAW. So that being said, maybe in a firmware update down the road, but very grateful I get 3.2 on the C400. Very happy, not complaining, no whining. Just it's a little odd that a lesser camera has more options. I'm not even talking about the 6 to 7 Kodak. I mean the 6 to 7K. I'm talking about just all the codecs that the C400 has. The C50 should have everything. It should be crossed. Work for both. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, C50 it's a good image. It's nice and sharp. Eyes locked on, I could see that. Yeah, this is pretty cool. All right. All right, cool. Very happy. 2026 is going to be stunning, stellar. I'm going to get after it and do a lot of really cool stuff that's been in the works. And I'm going to hit the pavement. And I've got nothing to hold me back. There's no like, oh, I wish I had. I've got. So this is it. This is my ball game. So I got a bunch of stuff coming up, and early January it's going to start. So God bless and Happy New Year. Yeah. Cool. Okay. This is, and as far as I'm concerned, probably optimal image. Locked on tour. I'm shooting at 4440 for the Kelvin, although sometimes it reads it should be warmer. But let me get an audio test. What's up? What are you doing right now? Or in a little while?
Right now I'm eating a sandwich, but in a second I'm going to a friend's house for her birthday.
Oh, that's nice. Do you know anybody there besides your sister and her?
I know them all.
You know them all. I knew it. I knew it. All right, hang on. Oh, keep going because I'm going to change the Kelvin. This is 4440. This is 5600 with a 5600 Kelvin light. I like the look, but I don't think it's accurate. Then I would back it down to probably like 55,000. This is 5,000 Kelvin. Okay, I like it. And it's saying a little overexposed, but it ain't. All right, I just turned it down from 1250 to 1000 ISO, 2.8. This is probably a good spot. I'm gonna go back to 4440. Look up. Yeah, I think that's probably pretty accurate. So what were you and Cole fighting about?
Don't even. Don't even ask that question.
If it got to blows, you think you would have whooped her?
Yes. Look at my phone case. It's upgraded.
Hold it up. Hold it up. Different than yesterday's?
Yeah. And this part,
Looks the same.
well, let's just clear. This part comes like this. I can watch a movie. Or I can go this way.
Does it have protection for the cameras?
Not like directly on the...
Like mine? Mine has like a thing that slides over that protects the lenses. Does it have that?
No.
Okay. Gotta be careful. Wipe them down every now and then.
Yeah.
All right, cool. You happy with that phone?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna lose it?
No.
What happens if you lose it? What's gonna happen there? You're gonna have to work,
I'll
get a
be
new job.
phoneless.
You're gonna have to get a job, right?
Yeah.
Pay it
I already
back.
got one of those.
You're gonna have to pay it off.
I do nails. Yep.
All right. All right. Appreciate it. What model iPhone is that?
iPhone 17 Pro.
Oof.
Yeah, I know.
Smack.
Yeah, I know.
You're like pro-ish?
Yeah. You
All
know,
right.
you know how it be.
All right, so this is 4440. I'm gonna go back to 5, I think. 5 might be the answer. Looky, looky. Yeah, it's nice and warm.
Didn't brush my hair, if you can't tell. I don't brush hair. We don't do that around here.
You don't?
No. I don't brush hair.
Is that like a TikTok thing? Somebody said don't brush hair and then
No,
now
it's
you...
just me. It's just me.
But it's never ever tangled. Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
That don't matter.
okay. Life lessons.
I just like it when I don't brush it. Because it's just too much for me.
All
Too
right,
much
cool.
brushing.
Hang on one second. I'm going to just turn that light up a little bit. Holy smokes. That's way too late. Hang on. This is 29 where it was. I'm going to add a little. All right, I can see the false color saying, all right, this is, that's a little more moody. $31 is probably pretty good. Let's try it a little hotter. This is 40. Look up. Yeah, it's a little hot. All right, I think 30 is the number. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best. I didn't say you can get up. I'm just saying you're the best.
I know, and I know.
Justin.
Yep.
See ya.